I don't know why. I don't know why they didn't say anything to you. Because they freaking hate you. What?
I did it.
Oh yeah, you got a couple seconds off me.
Yay! Hey guys, me and Man here. Me and Alicia are playing on the Wii. Because we're really super bored and listening to gangster music. I finally won.
Alicia finally won something.
I can beat you at another thing, being Mexicano.
Oh snap goes the weasel. What do you want to do now?
I can beat you looking good in shorts, okay. Oh my god.
I'm dying. I'm like crying.
Random.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh.
Hold on your mic.
Oh god.
Shut up. Hold on, Bethany.